I started talking about politics not to benefit myself, not even to benefit the Dutertes. I started talking about politics because of the things that were being said on social media that I did not agree with, because these were lies compared to what I know on the ground. I didn't start on social media just so I can make it a job, because it isn't. Because once it becomes a job, I will then be forced or pressured to say something that I do not agree with. And that is something that I do not want. I would rather have a life wherein I do what I love every single day, which is to benefit the Filipino people, because I'm included and so is my son. What I don't understand is when you say, bayaran ako. No, I don't want to be in your side because I do not want to be disrespected for free. If your side is something that I do not agree with, then I am entitled to that because I'm a free person. You do not own me. Not just that, you cannot afford my integrity. When you say bayaran, do you have proof? Matagal ko nang hinihingi ang proof na yan that sumasahod ako. Kasi kung sumasahod ako sa mga Romualdez, dapat sumasahod din ako sa mga Duterte, and I'm going to cash in on that. Because hindi pwede yan na libre sa mga Duterte tapos hindi pwedeng libre sa mga Romualdez. Wala akong amo. Si Tony nga, anak ko yan, hindi ko amo yan. Lahat ng pinagagawa ko for my son. Ang diferensya dyan, hindi ko to trabaho. Look at me. Kung trabaho ko ba to? Meaning, wala na akong ibang pwedeng pag-usapan. I talk about so many different shit. Meaning, walang pwede magsabi sa akin what I can do and cannot do. And I will never lie for somebody, not even the Dutertes, not even the Romualdezes. Kaya di ba sinasabi ko, whatever it is that you say about Martin Romualdez, prove it with facts. Siguraduhin nyo na lahat ng chismis na kinakain nyo na parang tae, may facts yan. Sa Bisaya, nanay unod. So, hindi ko talaga magets na parang, sige, kung hindi sabay sa utak nyong hindi mabasa, bayaran na. So, kayong bobo, libre lang. You get that? So, you're telling me that I'm being paid by the Romualdezes to be truthful? What a perfect job it is then. Because all that I'm saying is actually 10% of the truth. Tinatago namin ang 90 because hindi defensive si Martin Romualdez kasi hindi niya ugali. But as you can all see, lumalabas na ang katotohanan. Lumalabas ang katotohanan with proof. Lumalabas ang katotohanan that yes, he is not complicit. Because hindi naman siya yaya sa mga congressman at sa mga pinagagagawa nila sa HOR. He is the House Speaker. He leads them, but he is not complicit sa kanilang pinagagagawa bago pa siya House Speaker. Nakalimutan niyo na ba? Yung mga magnanakaw na yan? Magnanakaw na yan, hindi pa nga congressman si Martin Romualdez eh. How much more kaya nung naging House Speaker siya nung 2022 lang? Kailan ba nagsimula ang pagnanakaw na yan? Way before he became House Speaker. And automatically, once he becomes House Speaker, just because Sara Duterte says he is tambaloslos, you all believe it like it's bullshit. But it is what it is. Bullshit. So all of a sudden, she's all innocent? Sige nga. The math is not mathing. Ang kakayanin nyo lang kasi sa naratibong yan, ang mga DDS, na because of love and loyalty would eat shit. Not the rest of the Filipino people na gising when they are being manipulated. Para lang yung boyfriend mong cheater. 'Di ba? Kayo, you would stay in that relationship kasi mahal nyo. Eh ako, tangina, bubugbugin ko yan at papaalisin ko sa bahay. We are not the same. Ganyan lang yan in politics. I made sure that my platform in politics will always tell you the truth even if you don't like to hear it. Kaya when I started out, hindi ako gusto ng mga kakamping because the truth did not fit their narrative. Ngayon, gusto na naman nila ako and they say na character development kasi sumasang-ayon ako at hindi ko na gusto yung mga Duterte ko, no? But I've always made it clear, si PRRD mahal ko, yung mga anak niya hindi. And I'm entitled to that because this is a free country. Hindi pa tayo China. And yan yung rason kung bakit ayoko pag si Sara Duterte maging presidente kasi all of a sudden, makakalimutan na natin na barangay na pala tayo ng China. Because she would want to dictate whatever it is that we should be thinking. Ay, hindi yan pwede, be. Huwag ka na lang maging presidente. Kasi hindi pwede na sabihan mo kami na hindi masaya yung Pasko namin. Sa'yo lang. Sa inyo lang. Hindi masaya ang Pasko ng mga tao na hindi napababa si PBBM. Yan ang katotohanan. Hindi masaya ang Pasko ng mga tao na unti-unti nang lumalabas ang katotohanan na sila talaga yung totoong tambaluslos. Yan ang hindi masasaya ang Pasko. Masaya ang Pasko ko dahil lumalabas na ang katotohanan. Lumalabas na ang siniraan nyo since 2023, hindi nyo talaga mapaluhod. Di ba sinabi nyo tatakbong presidente? O ano yan? Di ba sinabi nyo na siya yung mastermind ng lahat? O ano yan? Nagsilabasan na hindi. O ano yan? Na siya na naman talaga yung may kasalanan para this and that? Nope. Ang mga mali na ginawa nyo yan. Huwag nyong idamay si Martin Romualdez. Ang kabobohan nyo, Lumalabas na yan ngayon kasi kabobohan naman talaga yan at hindi kasali si Martin Romualdez. At saka yung mga maleta nyo, sino ba kumakain ng utot nyo na yan? Yung mga DDS lang din. Kami na alam yung katotohanan, natatawa na lang kami. Imagine that, you are trying to manipulate the Filipino people. But your father was not like that. He was not manipulative. He never really forced anybody to support him. Kaya mahal na mahal siya ng mga tao. By extension, nasali ka lang. Nasali ka lang. Salingket-ket ka lang sa love ng mga tao kay PRRD. Kaya you are doing whatever it is to milk whatever it is na magamit nyo sa kanya kahit nasa The Hague na siya. When in fact, he deserves respect. He does not deserve your bullshit. Kaya ayokong supportahan pinagagagawa nyo because you are not respecting his legacy. You are destroying it. You are creating enemies from the same people that protected your father and helped him and by extension helped you. Yan ang totoong tambaloslos, hindi si Martin Romualdez. Because uulitin ko, hindi nyo kalaban si Martin Romualdez at si PBBM. Ginamit nyo sila. Ginamit nyo sila. Huwag kami, kasi alam namin ang katotohanan. Tapos ngayon, sisira-siraan nyo, kasi natatakot kayo, kasi alam din nila ang totoo. Ayaw lang nila maging defensive. Ayaw namin maging defensive. Kaya please lang sa mga tao na, bayaran. Oh, trust me. Bayaran? Ano yan? Bayaran nga nahago ang bilat? Bayaran because pwede ako magsabi ng kahit na anumang katotohanan, hindi lang talaga akma sa inyo, kaya masakit sa inyo? I don't mind. I don't mind. Because I'd rather be bayaran to tell the truth than bayaran to lie. I can't sleep if I have to lie to the Filipino people because I am a part of the greater number of Filipino people who sees the truth and who knows the truth. This is not about defending Martin Romualdez. This is about the truth and what the Filipino deserve. Because your bullshit and your manipulation is going to benefit Sara Duterte as the next president to 2028. Why can't you wait your turn? Kaya wag niyo kaming sabihan, hindi masaya ang Pasko for bullshit that you caused. For bullshit that you caused since 2023. Kasi hindi naman talaga to mangyayari. But you know what? I'm grateful that ginawa mo to. I'm grateful that you fucked up the entire country. Because by then, the president, being separate from you, don't have to care about your feelings. Like the anti-political dynasty law, hindi naman ang mga Marcos at mga Romualdez ang masasagasaan yan. Pamilya mo. Pamilya mo. Kasi kayong lahat, kahit yung mga walang kwenta na kapamilya nyo, ginawa nyo at nilagay nyo sa posisyon, kahit wala namang kwenta. Oh, you're gonna tell me I'm wrong? Sige nga, prove it na I'm wrong. Ilan sa mga anak at sa mga tao nyo sa gobyerno ang may kwenta sa Davao City? Kasi hindi ka kwenta-kwenta sa greater population ng Davao City ang pagpapalinis lang sa kanal for anti-dengue. Everybody in the Philippines is doing that. Tapos ginawa niyo yung congressman? At yan, congressman, ano ba ang trabaho ng congressman? It's not to travel 17 countries. Ang trabaho ng congressman is to stay between his district and the Congress. To make laws to benefit his district. Ano pinagagawa niyo? So you're gonna fool the Filipino people? What did I do before on your behalf? Diba? Sinabi ko sa mga tao na kinalaban ang tatay niyo kung ano dapat ang trabaho nila. I'm doing the same to you because you are not special. You're supposed to be serving the Filipino people, not benefiting from their blind loyalty. You're supposed to be uplifting the same people that will die to protect you. But instead, you bully them if they realize that what you are doing is wrong. So we are not the same and I am not supporting that bullshit. So you say whatever you want to say. Insult my being. I don't give a flying fuck. The truth of the matter is whatever you say against Martin Romualdez, you gotta have proof. Because if anything, Martin Romualdez is the only person that the president can trust. And the only person that truly protected the president. All the rest were just milking the president for his power. At ang bait-bait lang talaga ng presidente natin. Hindi katulad ni PRRD na hindi nyo talaga magugulangan. Kaya nga nilagay nyo sa The Hague, di ba? Hindi si Marcos at si Romualdez ang naglagay kay PRRD sa The Hague. Kayo. Because it benefited you that he is there. It did not benefit PBBM. It did not even benefit Martin Romualdez. Because hindi nga sila kalaban. Pero kayo, magagamit niyo siya because hindi na niya kayo mapuna sa pinagagagawa niyo. And honestly, this is not how he would have done it. Because uulit-ulitin ko, PRRD was a good man, but his children sadly are not. Yes, he had his mistakes, but his children is doing worse. And uulitin ko, sa mga bagong panukala na gagawing batas ni PBBM, hindi sila masasagasaan. Ang masasagasaan ang mga totoong yumuyurak sa karapatan at paglilinlang sa mga Pilipino. At nanlilinlang sa mga Pilipino. And guess who that is? Ding ding ding, you're a winner. Ingat!